I'm here. I graduated.
Yes, and this is for you, Mom and Daddy.
Sa tingin niyo po ba ma-recognize pa nila kayo? So,
Parating niyang tinatanong kung sino ako. Si Ana Marie Llamido. Galing po ako ng Texas, USA. 8 years na pong hindi nakauwi. At ngayon po, I'd like to visit my mom and dad who's turning 88 and 87 this month of April.
I'm Carlos. I am from Texas, USA. I graduated in Texas A&M University and I'm 22 years old. I'm here now to say my greetings to Daddy, his 88th birthday, and Mom. It's been so long since we came home. It's been like 8 years since we came. There's no words to describe this feeling. Daddy and Mommy, thank you so much. You've sacrificed so much. You've given so much to my mom, and she's given so much to me. We've really been trying to come home, and
Yes.
it's been hard. The last time we came was when I was in high school, freshman, and now I'm here. I graduated.
Yes, and this is for you, Mom and
A&M.
Daddy.
And finally, I'm here after so long.
Yes, and we wanna see them and we're gonna surprise Mom and Dad.
hello mga ka-surprise buddies! Welcome to Baguio City! Ang layo na ng ating naabot para kapaghatid ng panibagong sorpresa ng pagbati at pagmamahalan. This time, ang nilalaman ng ating sasakyan ay hindi lamang sa likod dahil ang ating kababayan umuwi all the way from USA with love para sorpresahin ang kanilang pinakamamahal na lola at lolo, ang kanyang nani at tatay. Narito na sila! Tara! Hello! Welcome welcome back to the Philippines. Bakit niyo po naisipan na umuwi at sorpresahin ang inyong parents sa kaarawan nila?
Kasi birthday ni Daddy ko April 16 at 88 na siya. 8 years kami hindi nakauwi.
It's been so long since we've came back to the Philippines, so we really miss our parents and want to come back.
Yeah.
So it's been 8 years na hindi
Yes.
po kayo nakauwi. Pero
8
siya po,
years.
kay ganyan
Yeah.
po ba?
Same.
So, how do you feel right now that finally you're home?
Right, it's like so many things has changed.
Yes.
I can't remember the last time like
2016 we were
Yeah,
here. Yeah.
Like it's just so many change, so much things has happened since we came back. So
Ako yung last na uwi ko nung nag-80 ang parents ko. Tapos ngayon 88 na. Imagine that.
So
Oh
it's
my
been
God. So it
8
has been
years.
8 years. So I really miss them. My God. I wanna see them na.
Opo. And balita ko may panibagong sorpresa ang inyong anak. Ayan. So yan. So he's wearing his toga. So you graduated.
I graduated in Texas A&M University.
Wow! So that's your other surprise for your grandparents.
Yes, po.
Wow! That's a very big surprise. Ano pong gusto niyo sabihin sa kanila? Sige po.
Dad, Ma, 88 na kayo, 87. Talagang mahirap na hindi namin kayo nakita ng ilang years. Pero nandito na kami ngayon. We love you talaga. Please take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Nakapagpag-graduate na po kami. Eldest ko po. Nakapagpag-graduate na kami ni Richard. A&M, Mommy. Texas A&M, Dad. And show your ring, anak. He has his graduation ring too. Okay, we love you. Happy birthday.
Sa tingin niyo po ba ma-recognize pa nila kayo? So nagkaroon po sila ng karamdam. Okay lang po bang talakayin natin? So yung mother and father niyo, nagkaroon po sila ng... Sige po.
Ano naman, makakalimutin na. And we call that dementia, diba? Makakalimutin na parating niyang tinatanong kung sino ako, I mean, he knows my name, pero yung saan kami galing, anong oras kami din, yung kung anong oras ngayon, kung anong talagang paulit-ulit na. So, please love your parents. Take care of them when you can. Be home, hug them, kiss them. Yun ang talagang gagawin ko sa 3 months na pagbisita ko sa kanila.
Wow, that's a very nice message and inspiring.
Yes.
So sa tingin niyo, ma-recognize kaya kayo pag-open?
Let's see. Let's see. Baka
How
sabihin
about
lang
you?
Texas
It's
lang,
been
pero
8
di.
years.
Yeah.
So sa tingin mo, like, do you think they will recognize you still after 8 long years?
We've been video calling and
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, so
I see.
hopefully,
Hopefully.
they'll recognize my
Yes.
voice even and they'll remember that. Even though like they'll say, "Oh, I'm Kaloy. I'm here. I'm from Texas." And hopefully they can see us and remember us again.
Yes.
Are you guys excited? Are you
Yes.
guys ready?
Yes,
So
please.
what we'll do, we'll go ahead and my brother here, RJ, so he will do the surprise first for your parents.
Magandang tanghali po. Dito po ba nakatira si Sir Fred Laliana at saka si...
Bakit?
May package po na dumating para...
Daddy. Dakano.
And the blood will dry underneath my nails.
Nandito. Nasaan
Hi
ang
Sir
package?
Fred Laliana. Magandang araw po. May package po na dumating para sa inyo.
Oh,
May naasahan po ba kayong package na parating?
meron.
Meron? Ay siya, dito po. Tama din.
May tumawag kahapon.
May tumawag po sa inyo. Samahan niyo
Oo,
po siya.
anak ko din.
Samahan niyo po siya. Bali po may tumawag po sa inyo. Kahapon.
Oo.
Opo, tama-tama. Nandito po yung
And
package
the
niyo. Ano po?
blood will dry underneath my nails.
Mainit po kasi sa labas. Nandito po yung package niyo. Oh, ito po. Oh. Surprise!
Remember when I
Happy
sat upon your
birthday!
Ah,
Wow! Mamaya po, malalaman po natin kung kanino galing. Siyempre tatay, para sa nagpadala ng sorpresa, para sa kanya, ikaw ang hari ng kanyang buhay! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome King Fred Laliana! Happy birthday! Ayan, at syempre, para po sa kanya, para daw sa kanya tay, ikaw daw po ang best dad ever! Wow! Ano ba sabihin ka mo dito? Happy birthday!
April 16 ba ngayon?
Talagang ba?
Yes, Mommy, April 16. You want to sit down with Daddy?
No. Why should I?
Siyempre, hindi
It's
rin
not
po
my
kayo
birthday.
hindi rin po kayo nakalimutan dahil meron din po kayo dahil nalalapit na po. Kailan po ba ang birthday niyo na, Mami?
Nakalimutan ko eh.
Nalalapit na rin po ang
April
inyong
din.
birthday. April din po kayo.
April din.
Busog po kayo
Birthday
tayo.
na
Busog ka, Dads.
Yan.
April. Bakit?
Yes. Dahil, syempre si Mami ay hindi rin nakalimutan dahil,
April din ako.
opo, dahil birthday niyo rin. Ano po, nalalapit na. Ayan. Syempre, para din po sa kanya, ikaw ang reyna ng kanyang buhay.
Ay, na ng tahanan sa kusina.
At syempre, para po sa kanya, ikaw din po ang
Ano yun? Best.
best man ever! Wow! So, di po yung kamay
Punta
niya.
kami sa ako na dito.
Pasok na po yung kamay niya dito.
Bakit?
Ah.
Ah, manluluko sa rin yan.
At syempre, meron po yung regalo na bubuksan. Ito po. Ayan. Ito po, unahin niyo po. Pasabay niyo pong buksan. Ito po ito, tatay. Sirain niyo po yung balot. Ang sabi nila, pag sinisira daw po ang balot, marami pang regalo ang darating. Sige po, buksan niyo po. Sirain
Hindi
niyo po.
naman makain ito eh.
Ha? Malay niyo po, higit pa sa pagkain. Ano po? Sige po, buksan niyo po. Para po
Sirain
malaman
ko na?
niyo. Opo, sirain niyo po.
Ay, ganun ba?
Oo.
Ay, wadula na yan. Sayang.
Uy.
Saan galing ito? Wala naman dedication dito eh.
Sige po, sirain niyo po.
Kung saan galing ito. Ay, 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 ay.
Best Father of the Year.
Wow! Meron tayong award!
Ito award to Fred.
Best mother.
Best hero, my dad.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have an award! Ayan! This Best Father Certificate is awarded to Mr. Fred Laliana. To my best hero, my dad, I am so proud to be your daughter. You are my one and only. You are my one and only dad. You will always have a special place in my heart. Awarded by, malinaw pa ba ang mata ni tatay? Nababasa pa po? Awarded by Ana Marie Laliana Lamido. And of course, we have Best Mother Award is awarded to Nanay Linda Laliana. To my mama, dearest, you mean everything to me. I love you because you gave me everything. You gave me love, you gave me your soul, and you gave me your time. Thank you! Ayan, ano po yung pakiramdam, Mami, na para sa inyong anak kasi Anne Marie ay tinuturing niya kayo na pinaka-the best na Mami sa buong mundo?
Of course. Happy.
Yan. How about you po, Daddy? Ano po ang pakiramdam nyo na para po sa inyong anak?
Very, very happy. Very, very happy.
Very, very happy. Ayan. At bukod po sa napakagandang sorpresa na ito, ay meron pa pong mas mahalagang pinapaabot ng ang pinadala. Ano po, dahil gumawa po siya ng mensahe para sa inyo. Harap lang po kayo sa camera at isipin niyo po na siya po yung ito. Mama Linda, happy 87th birthday. Indeed, you are the best mother of all. We, your 8 children, look up to you with so much beauty and inspiration. You gave yourself to us and you have a noble job to raise us all by yourself as dad has to go away for work. You are selfless and superwoman. That's why we love you forever and beyond. We are grateful for your life and for the memories we will still share together. We love you dearly and huge hug goes to you, my beautiful mother. Ayan. And of course, Daddy Fred, now that you're 88, we wish you all the best. Best still life has to offer to you. Let's make many more memories with your grandchildren, Carlos and Andre, and all your other 22 grandkids and great-grandkids. We are happy that you have reached this milestone in your life. Dad, always remember that we appreciate all you had done for us and we love you to the moon and back. Happy birthday. I love you, Ana Richie.
Thank you.
Ano pong gusto niyo sabihin sa kanila? Sa inyong anak, sa inyong mga anak. Sa napakagandang surprise ang ginawa niya at sa kanyang napakagandang mensahe. Sige po, kausapin niyo po sila.
Sinang third?
Ana Marie po.
Si Ana Marie. Ana Marie lang.
Opo. Ano pong gusto niyo sabihin sa kanila?
Thank you, Anna. Thank you very much for my gift. I love you. Remember, I always love you until the end of time.
Wow. How about you, Daddy?
Thank you, Ana, for your
Gift.
nice ano ito? I hope we will all stay together like this and no accidents will happen. I hope every time will be alright for us. Thank you. God bless us all.
Ang sweet din.
Uy,
oh.
alas 12.
Alas 12 na po yun. Ayan. Nasa Amerika po siya, tama po. Kaya po pinadala niya itong sorpresang ito. Ayan. Bukod po dyan, ay meron pa pong regalo na bubuksan. Ito po. Ayan. Meron pang regalo. Ito kay tatay. Ayan. Ito kay nanay.
Ano naman?
Sige po,
Binigay niya
buksan
Ana
niyo.
na dito. Nangipawitan niya Ana. Ha? Kayo? What is this? Kabayang buntis.
Uy,
Ano po kaya yan?
bubuksan daw.
Sige po, buksan niyo po. Sirain niyo lang po para po makita niyo kung ano naman.
At nangipawitan na rin dyan na ready. Bakit nagbigay sa Ana?
Ayan. Sige po. Ano po laman?
What is this? Polo Club.
Polo and Racket Club.
Oh, may bagong wallet si Daddy. Ayan, baka po may laman. Hipan niyo po na. Baka po may laman.
May laman.
Nangipawitan na rin ito Prerin. Nangipawitan na rin ito.
Kailangan ako na sa kanila.
Apa yan, nagapunta yan.
Ay, meron na rin laman. Pampaswerte. Ano po, Daddy? Wow.
Wallet.
Eh, Mami? Wow!
May pera.
Yellow.
May pera. Ay, ang daming pera.
Ang laman.
Wow.
Ayan. Bukod po dyan, ay meron pala kasamang 2 dosena ang ginento ang tsokolate. Wow!
Nagkapukin ni Ana na dito.
Sige po, tapon po muna natin dito. Ayan. At syempre, dahil birthday nyo, meron din po tayong cakes. Ayan. At syempre, dahil birthday nyo, ay magkakantahan po tayo ng happy birthday. Ano po? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Ito po yung nakasulat sa inyong cake. Happy birthday, Daddy Fred. Always be strong and healthy every day. We love you. From Ana, Richie, Kaloy, and Andy. Wow! Hawakan niyo po muna. At syempre, dahil birthday rin nalalapit na rin ang birthday ni Mami, ni Mami. Ayan, ano po? Ngayon po bang 88th birthday ni Tatay, ni Daddy Fred, ano po yung mahihiling niyo po para sa inyong sarili? Daddy, ano po yung birthday wish niyo po para sa inyong sarili?
Oh,
To live longer ko ng mata na.
Ayan. Ano pong birthday wish ni Daddy?
Ready your wish.
I will not ask anything except to give me good health all the time, now and for
Ever.
decade of years to come, because
Happy birthday.
I still have my family, my little grandchildren.
Ana.
I still
Richard.
want to see them all. So thank you, Lord, for your help for me.
Okay.
How about po si Mami? Ano pong birthday wish ni Mami ngayon nalalapit ng inyong birthday?
Mami, birthday wish daw.
Ang birthday wish ko ay marami eh. Hindi ko mabilang. To live longer.
Very friend.
Ilang years pa?
To
Kung anong ibibigay ng Lord sa akin.
Ayan.
That's all.
Siyempre, nang may malusog na pangangatawan. Ano po, para po makasama po yung mga anak. Kung meron pa po kayong ibang birthday wish, ano po, sabay po niyong hihipan. Bibilang po ako ng 3, right? 1, 2, 3! Happy birthday! Blow na candle po tayo. Yun! Happy birthday!
To have more birthdays to come.
At syempre, bukod po dyan, meron pa pong isa pang regalo na bubuk na, no, dami.
Ang dami. Oo.
Sige po, tayo po muna kayo, mother.
Ito pa.
Opo, patong po.
Saan galing yan? Nakalimutan ko.
Ayan, dahil meron pa pong regalo na bubuksan. Ano po?
And the blood will dry beneath my nails.
Yan, meron pa pong regalo dito kasi hindi po kasya dito. Nandito lang po sa kabila. Ano po? Ayan, tama po kayo. Dito po yung regalo niyo pa na isa pa.
Saan galing mga regalo?
Ayan, galing po yan sa inyong anak. Dahil meron pa po silang regalo. Hindi po kasya dun sa harap. Nandito po
No
sa kabila. Ano po?
matter what it takes, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. All my kingdom awaits. They've forgiven our mistakes. I'm coming home. Coming home. Tell the world I'm
No, he graduated, Daddy. So you give yours.
Nice. So,
Mommy.
graduation. So,
Okay.
your daddy.
Daddy.
Ako nag-graduate ka?
No, he graduated, Mommy. Yeah, just give that to...
Dito po tayo sa likod para makapaganda po.
Yan. He graduated from college.
Ano kinuha niya?
Engineering po.
Anong klaseng engineer? Civil?
Material science and
Oh,
engineering.
yeah.
Yes, remember.
Or do not even know those because I
It's a
wasn't
new
able to go
engineering.
to school. I'm on grade 1. I finished grade 1
College ako.
only.
Let's go see
I
daddy.
did not finish anything.
Okay, man.
Mother, dito po ulit po kayo. Pati po. Para po yan na. Yan.
Why are you putting that crown to me? I'm not Reyna. Reyna ng Reyna ng kusina. Reyna ng Philippines. Ayan o.
Ayan, doon po kayo. Finally, after
8 years.
nakauwi na rin. Ano po? Ma'am, kamusta po yung pakiramdam? Finally, nakasama nyo na po si Daddy.
Daddy,
Nandito po kayo.
88 years. I mean, you are still looking young. Still looking young, Mommy.
Yang.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Mommy, do you recognize this guy? This handsome guy? Who is this guy?
My handsome apo.
What's his name?
You tell me.
Kaloy.
Kaloy! All the way from USA! Wow!
Remember?
What is USA?
United States of
United
America.
States.
Hello, yeah.
Daddy, what's my name, Daddy?
Ana banana.
What's my name, Daddy?
Anna Marie,
Very good. Happy birthday.
my beautiful daughter.
Thank you, Daddy.
Daddy, kamusta po ang pakiramdam na nandito na kayo ng inyong anak? Sinurpresa kayo and she traveled all the way from USA to be here with you to celebrate your birthday and your wife's birthday.
I can understand what he's saying.
Very nice.
Very nice. What else, Daddy?
It's really a big sacrifice to be here. Like my daughter, this shows that she really loves us. Father and mother, husband and wife. For that
I will
reason,
wipe your face.
my good daughter, Anna Marie, thank you very much.
You're welcome, Daddy. How about you, Mommy?
We will love you forever.
I do not know what to say because I do not know how to speak English.
No, Mommy. No.
Ang talis ni Mami. Mommy, did you give your birthday gift to your husband?
I do not have.
You have!
You have!
The sweet gift! Kiss!
I
Kiss
cannot
them.
give you my
Si Daddy na lang. Daddy kiss!
Daddy kiss, Mami.
Kiss Ali!
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago.
Parang niluloko tayo.
Kiss daw.
Hindi na kami bata.
Hindi, kiss na, kiss.
So, ma'am, kamusta?
Hindi naman makain mga ito
pakiramdam mo ngayon na finally
Ha?
nangyari na ang inyong pinaka-hintay na surprise?
Naku, talagang 8 years ang hinintay namin para mabigyan ng surprise ang aking mga magulang. Ayan, sa 8 years na yon talagang deserve nyo to, Daddy, Mami.
Kasama yung van.
Kasama ang van na sana ibibigay nila.
Ano ba ito? Hindi naman makain eh.
Papapanood din po kayo ng mga kapatid nyo. Anong gusto nyo yung sabihin sa kanilang lahat?
Ay, okay.
To all of your siblings,
Ay.
in-laws.
Sa mga kapatid ko, ito ang gift natin sa ating magulang. They're 88 and 87. Okay. Dad, happy 88th birthday. Ha? Maging strong ka pa. Enjoy mo pa ang life. Makinat mo pa yung mga apo mo, mga great-grandchildren. Okay?
Yeah.
And you, Mommy?
Hopefully.
Yes, you will live long.
Hopefully.
Okay?
What is
God will help us.
That's a crown, Mommy.
why? I'm not a queen.
You are our queen today. And that is our king today.
The king
Okay?
and queen.
The king and queen.
Do you have anything to
Para
say
kami
more?
nilaloko
Carlos?
dito.
You wanna say something more?
I'm just thankful to be here, to be able to come after so long, just to see them and to show that I've finished, I graduated. This is only I could give to them, but I wish I could give more, and hopefully I'll see them more.
Wow, so nice of you.
Always.
The best gift from your grandson. He graduated. Wow, the best gift from your grandson. Ayan.
You always see us because you have two eyes, the left
I have
and the
4
right.
eyes with my glasses too.
This is Texas A&M University,
Para kami
Daddy.
niloloko dito.
No, Mommy, you are our queen and Daddy is our king. Mommy, si Carlos na-graduate para sa inyo yan. Para sa inyo yung kanyang achievement. Okay?
Congratulations, Carlos! Let's clap high for Carlos! Congratulations! Ay.
Nag-grade 1.
No, you did, Mommy. You are our
We are-
teacher.
We are the graduates because we are the ones holding the...
The bouquet of
Hey.
flowers.
Hey!
Sa mga ka-surprise buddies, isang matagumpay na sorpresa ang inyong nasaksihan. All the way from USA, umuwi ang isang anak para sa kanyang mga magulang na talaga namang sayang-saya sa kanilang kaarawan. At syempre, ang kanilang grandson. Ako si Audrey Humirang
And ako po si RJ Humirang.
at nandito tayo sa Baguio City! Artista na kayo, mapapanood nyo rin po ang video nito. Lalabas sa ating Facebook at YouTube, magsisilbing remembrance ng inyong birthday. At mapapanood ng lahat ng inyong mga anak, mga apo. Ayan. Maraming salamat mga ka-surprise buddies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sa mga nagnais magpa-surprise din ito, mag-message lang kayo. Ma'am, you have anything to say po bago tayo magpaalam?
Sana po tangkilikin natin
Ay, thank you po. Thank you very much.
sila
Thank you po.
para marami tayong ma-surprise pa ng mga magulang natin, kapatid, pamangkin sa kanilang mga ginawa sa atin. Okay? Mag-subscribe kayo.
Thank you very much. Bye! Picture taking naman tayo. Ayusin lang po ng This is ShopBiz, my best shoppers. Everyone, let's spread happiness and love.